Welcome, today in front of me Xiaomi POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to change icon shape on this device with X Icon Changer application. So first you should launch the Play Store, and here on the search pool type the X Icon Changer. So that's this application. Now we have to get this app. So tap to install it, wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app, and here on the right upper corner tap to continue. And here, as can you see, we got all our available applications on our device, and we can select one from this application and change the view and shape of our app. For example, we can go with the default contacts app. Here we can rename the application by tap here to the edit icon, and here we get the library from our icons folders. So you can choose one from these icons on these available folders. Also, you can choose from the photo from your device in the gallery, and you can take a picture right now. And if you want, you can also add here by tap to the plus on the left down corner. You can add more folders to your menu, and for example we can add the one new folder. Just tap there and watch the video to just unpack this folder with the new icons. Now we'll just wait a couple of seconds and we'll skip the ads. So, and as can you see, right now we got this folder with the new icons. We got this folder in our library, and for example we can go with this. Okay, that's will be contact application, so we'll choose this icon. And now here on the right upper corner tap to OK. Here click OK, and now scroll. We have to confirm apps permissions. So now just we'll tap here to the other permissions, and here tap to the home screen shortcuts and always allow. And now we'll go to the X Icon Changer back, and now tap here again to OK. Wait a couple of seconds. Here now just click to the X icon, and we can now just go to the desktop or change the next icon and by the same way just select the application, and by the same way you can add one more application with the new icon. And now, as can you see, we got here our new contacts icon. We'll just see the different right now. I'll just add the default contacts application to our screen, and here you can see the difference. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.